Hello everyone, I'm Sevin from Kaya Academy, and today I'm going to talk about how to use hashtags in your business Instagram posts. Hashtags are especially important for users who want to follow certain topics on Instagram. Brands regard the use of hashtags as one of the best tools to reach their target audience. And using hashtags help the content be liked more and reach more people. However, there are some points to be considered at this point. Hashtags help to make a photo searchable and can be a helpful element of your social media marketing strategy. For example, if you post a photo of shoes on Instagram and use the hashtag shoe style or hashtag fashion or a combination, that photo will show up in the streams of others who are looking for items by using the same hashtag. And when someone clicks the hashtag, public images labeled with that hashtag will appear. Hashtagged content has a limited shelf life, especially content with a popular hashtag. If the topic is trending or popular, your content may be visible at the top of the search for only a few minutes or hours. Play around with both popular and less trendy hashtags to see where you receive the most engagement. And there are some hashtag best practices. While just talking about it, I'll just show you an example with hashtags, a photo. Use 2 or 3 hashtags at most. Using too many hashtags makes a post too busy. And sure, your post appears on many different searches now, but most people prefer to look at photos with less clutter. And make up your own hashtag. Create a hashtag that suits your brand and share it with your community. Now, when they use your product or take part in a related activity, they use your brand's hashtag, giving you more visibility and prompting others to try the same. Keep an eye out for trending hashtags. Hashtags don't have to be brand related. Plenty of hashtags relate to holidays, current events, and television shows. Don't spam a hashtag with irrelevant content, but if you have an image appropriate for trending hashtags, don't be afraid to use it. And think of popular things people like to do or buy. And some popular hashtags on Instagram are hashtag food, hashtag shoes, and hashtag cats. Familiarize yourself with popular hashtags, but keep in mind that content with a popular hashtag won't stay at the top for long. And take part in hashtag memes. Try having fun with your Instagram account by taking part in a meme. For example, you can use hashtag throwback Thursday or hashtag TBT to share photos of your business in its early stages, or hashtag outfit of the day to show what your staff is wearing. And hashtags work best with public accounts. Brands shouldn't have private accounts because it limits the brand's audience. Hashtags are seen only by people who have access to the account. And if yours is a private account with 50 followers, it has the potential to be seen by only 50 people. If your account is public, your image has the potential to be seen by hundreds, if not thousands. If you want to make your account private so only people you choose to be friends with can see your photos, you need to follow some steps. And I'll just show you from my account. On your profile screen, select edit profile, but from there, you can just see it. Look at the right top corner of the screen. And from there, just click the gear icon at the top right, and then from there, tap privacy icon. And just there, you can just see the account privacy icon. Tap this one. And here, you can just see it. You can open this button, or you can just close this button. Here mine is private, but you can just change it to, and it won't be private this way, or just change it and That's it. Your account is private now. That's it. And keep in mind that with a private account, you have to manually approve any friend request. And with a public account, anyone can follow and view your photos. People come to Instagram for the visuals. Although you should give the photo a brief caption or description, you lose people if you write an essay. Okay, thank you everyone. Thanks for watching and have a great day.